Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part two. The original question on the artwork was to put a bounding box, to put a cut line around it. And if you look, it doesn't do a complete bounding box. That's because I changed the dog up. So what I would do is let's make a duplicate of this and move it over. And then left click, right click. And by doing that, you can see if we move, we can do anything we want to on the inside because it's not going to change our outcome. We'll actually delete all these lines. That's pretty sure, I'm pretty sure that's where the leak is coming from. So then grab your shape tool and just connect those two. And a quick way to test that, one, I've always put a rectangle around so it won't do everything. That was our leak, so it's not leaking anymore. And it was because we added that dog. Now, if we use the create a boundary tool and move it over, we're pretty good with the exception we've got some gaps in here. We don't want the laser to go in there if he's going to cut this out also. So we want to contour, but we might want to contour a little bit more than we normally would. And that's one reason I decided to make the video. If we go to contour, we're going to contour 0.5 of an inch. And that's way too big, but that would work. And then go to object, break the contour apart, take that contour line, and now go in 0.04 to the inside. Well, I must have gone in 0.4. So it was, or must have did 0.5, so let's just do 0.4 in. Now we're going to see how that looks. We're going to go to object and break the contour apart. We're going to make that inside contour red so we can see the difference. And then we're going to move it over to our original. And if you look, it's got a cut line. Pretty good. That's about the way you'd want it. Because you wouldn't want it too close to the Christmas tree because it could possibly break off. So that's a pretty good contour cut, whether you're doing it on vinyl or, and I shouldn't even talk about that because I have no clue about that. But you could bring this in a little more if you wanted to. But that's a way to do a contour when you have some spots where the contour could get into. Just contour big and then contour back. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.